Good evening. Tuesday has proved to be quite a lucky day for the Indian markets this month, with key indices notching stellar gains on this day in past couple of weeks, and today was no exception. It was yet another spectacular show by the Indian equities. The frontline stock indices extended their winning streak to third straight trading session, well supported by the stellar gains across Asian and European markets. US stock futures were also pointing to a higher opening on Wall Street after Monday's break. The BSE Sensex was up by 276 points to close at 16,466, and the NSE Nifty was up by 93 points to close at 4,967. Among the 30 constituents of Sensex, Maruti, Hindalco, Tata Steel, L&T, Reliance Industries, Coal India and NTPC were among the major gainers. On the other hand, ICICI Bank, GAIL India, Tata Power, HDFC, ITC and TCS ended in the negative terrain. Today's rally was a broad-based one as all the major sectoral indices ended with gains. Metals, capital goods, realty and oil and gas stocks were the star performers. The mid-cap and the small-cap stocks were also in demand. The India VIX stumbled on the NSE as market players' risk appetite improved. Talking of economic data, India's headline WPI inflation for December is along expected lines, but the core manufacturing inflation is still sticky and sequentially inflation hasn't budged much from November. So a rate cut is ruled out at the RBI's January 24th meeting. The central bank is likely to adopt a wait-and-watch approach before it starts unwinding its series of rate increases. The European markets were also trading with healthy gains after a positive opening. The FTSE index was up by approximately 1%, while the DAX in Germany was up by 1.9% and the CAC 40 index in France rose by 1.9%. Consumer inflation in the United Kingdom fell to a 6-month low in December as fuel and clothes turned cheaper. Annual inflation in the Eurozone fell to 2.7% in December from 3% in November. A year earlier, the rate was 2.2%. Thank you. Wish you have a great evening ahead.